Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. I am bringing you a video today, all from Poundland. Guys, so without wasting any time at all, we're going to get into this huge big bag and we're going to see all the fun little things that I got from Poundland. So guys, first things first, I picked up this Fab Friends sticker and style bangles for the charity box. You can create 5 cool bangles. You can put stickers on them, customize them however you like. You can also share with your friends. Guys, it's becoming ever increasingly hard to find cheap, kind of decent toys. So anytime that I'm in Poundland, I do tend to pick them up so that I can put the charity packs together. I don't have a whole lot of excess money at the end of every month, but I do try my best. So I picked up a number of those. I also picked up these fun little kinetic sand. So these are squeezy sands. You get 3 packs of sands, 3 molds, and they're just fun to do. These little packs are also only £1. The box is bigger than the contents, but it always kind of looks good when you put it into the charity packs. So for £1, I think that's pretty awesome. And if you guys are thinking about getting things ready for, I know we're super early and we're way off, but if you guys were thinking about picking up little stocking fillers for Christmas or, additional little gifts where you can make a pack and make it look like, it's inexpensive, but you can make it look amazing. Guys, there are videos on how I make up my packs on my channel. If you guys are interested in how I put my packs together, do go back and check out those videos. I will do my best to try and link one so you guys know, but I always think these are super duper fun and the packs always get well received, always. So I'm super happy about that. I purchased 4 of 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to show you guys one. These are ground sheets with eyelets. I'm not going to use these as ground sheets. I have a section of my garden that isn't very private. My intent is to use these ground sheets. Let's open one out. I mean, I didn't even check them out at the store, at the shop. I literally just thought, yeah, they're what I want. I'll grab them, and pretty much they are exactly what I want. They're just to create a little bit of privacy in my garden. Summer's coming up, or is here. And we do have, a little paddling pool that we put outside for the kids to play in. And I just think having a little bit of privacy is definitely necessary. So I picked up 4. I do intend to use these to create that privacy area. And I'm super happy about it. Guys, I pick up these hair colors all the time. They are the best for me. They work for me. If you guys are going to use a hair dye, please do the test. I did do the test and I continue to use these. These are the Pro Color Plus hair color. I get it in dark brown, even though part of my hair is blonde. The top half of it is brown, and then it fades in to the blonde. And I use these all the time. So it's hard to get a good, decent hair dye for £1, but they work really well for me. The next thing that I purchased is, I'm in love with Fabulosa. I buy this stuff all the time. This is a brand new version of the Fabulosa. This is Pink Zebra. I purchased 2 of these because they smell divine. They smell so good. They just smell sweet, which is scents that I think I'm drawn to. They're sweet and fresh. They kill 99% of bacteria and viruses, and they're vegan friendly. So I purchased 2 more of those because I thought they were fantastic. I have an addiction to buying cleaning products. Please tell me I'm not the only one, guys. If you're in the comments, let me know. Do you also have an addiction to cleaning products? I have a cupboard full of cleaning products. But this Astonish I had purchased in the blue one. I can't remember the scent of the blue one, but I thought it was pretty decent. So I bought it again. This is Astonish in the scent Herbal Escape. It is herbal with apple. It smells very herbally and appley. But I love it because it has essential oils, it eliminates odors, and it's multi-surface. So I can use it anywhere. And I love the fact again, it kills 99% of bacteria and enveloped viruses, including coronavirus. So that's pretty darn awesome. And for £1, I think these are pretty decent. These are also £1. Although I did notice in some stores they're selling these for up to $1.99. Guys, if you're looking for Fabulosa or Astonish products, definitely go to Poundland or Home Bargains, because that's where you're going to get your best price. And for me, knowing that the cost of living has gone up substantially, you know, we all need to save pennies where we can. Guys, love these little tumblers. So they have this tumbler with a silicone lid and grab. I'm going to try where I can to start using less paper cups. And I'm just going to, when I go to a coffee shop, ask them to fill up my cup. They did have these bands. I liked the grey with the brown, but they did have them in green, they had them in pink, and they had them in white. The grey definitely would work for me because it gets less dirty. You can't really see the dirt. But I mean, this is a solid tumbler. So I'm super happy about that. This will get a ton of use. And again, guys, this little item was only £1. So I'm super happy with that too. I always purchase luggage straps. I always overdo my luggage, and I always need a strap to contain it. I did buy two from another store last year, but I lost one. I don't know how I did that, but I did. So I decided to buy another one. The one that I had before is yellow. It's thicker, but it's yellow, and that will help me also identify my suitcases when I hopefully go on holiday. But these are pretty sturdy, pretty decent. They are expandable, so you can expand. Felt like an air hostess there. And then they just clip to open and clip back in again. Pretty secure, pretty decent. And I always use them because like I said, guys, I do stuff a lot into my suitcase. I bought a grout pen because I've never had one before. I don't know how good these are, but there's just a little bit of grout that's discolored in my shower, and I want to touch that up. So I just bought this little grout pen because it was £1, and why not check it out and see what it's like. I mean, it looks pretty straightforward and easy to use, but a little grout pen. If you guys need a little touch up, this is great. It's also anti-mold, which I didn't know, so that's pretty good. I bought a candle because this is so stinking pretty. Look at this packaging. This packaging looks expensive. It wasn't. This was £1. They had other scents. I like sweet, fruity scents. Probably why I went for the pink zebra in the Fabulosa. But I like scents that are sweet. I like scents that are berries. I do like citrus scents as well, but I lean towards the sweeter end. But this was super cute. This is pink gin and berries. It is sweet and stylish. It burns for 21 hours, which is awesome. And it is a glass candle. So your gorgeous little box, which I think, I mean, this is so cute on its own, but how cute is this candle? It is sweet and berry. So this is definitely a candle for me. I will be burning this candle, but if you guys wanted to even pop this into a little gift, I think that's really, really, really beautiful. And guys, the last two items I have are two toys. Hopefully you'll like them. This little adorbs, I've never ever seen these before, but I just thought this was so fun because this is an adorable collectible dress up. So it's a dress inside a bag, inside a ball. Crazy. This little adorbs was only £1. There are six different dresses to collect. They did have other ones, but I just wanted to see what this was all about. So I only purchased one. Guys, by the way, £1.50. That's all these cost. £1.50 for a dress up outfit, I think is amazing. So we're just going to get rid of our rubbish, and this is what it looks like. And then we just crack the ball open. We have a little, I think, checklist inside, which we do. There are 6 to collect. You can get Blue Forest, Blue Frost, Golden Tiger, Green Fairy, Red Fire, Pink Swan, and Purple Unicorn. And I believe that we got. Guys, these are pretty much what you would expect. They're cheap, but they're fun. Look how pretty this little dress-up doll is. It has got cute little wings down here. It is sparkly. I mean, for the price point, I mean, I think that's really adorable. This is a straight pullover. Oh, let me turn to the back. The back is so cute. It has this little crossover back, which is adorable. And it's a pull-on. So you pull the dress over your original. Do you pull the dress over? Yes. So you pull the back over and you have your own clothes behind it. So it's so cute. Guys, I have, even though I've opened this little packet, and because I don't have anyone who is young and is a girl, I'm going to put this back together and I'm going to put in the little checklist and I'm going to add that to my little charity box, because that is just, oh, what is this? Oh, this was a second seal to keep it in. I'm just going to pull it off because we don't need it, but that is so cute. And someone will really, really love that. But for £1.50, I mean, I think that is really, really cute. And then the last one I purchased, and I had to purchase this because it really intrigued me. This is the Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pet. It's a fortune cookie with a surprise, I think. It's wave 4. I don't know what wave means, but again, this was only £1.50. This intrigued me so much that I had to buy it. So let's see how we bust into this thing. Oh, the bottom opens pretty okay. And then we get this. Whoa, hard to hold. It's very top heavy, so it's very heavy in this side. So this is Littlest Pet Shop. Does it say? Yep. We just open it. So we take off the plastic wrap. And we have a fortune cookie. That is so fun. It has little splits at the side. And like a fortune cookie, we just try really hard to crack it in the middle. So we crack it straight open. That material is very strange. And we have lots of little parcels. So we have the safety manual, which I don't need. Oh, we have a clue, I think. Cat, 7, and a calendar. We'll leave that there for you guys to see. And then we have a checklist. Oh, these are cute little pets. So you get a cute little Littlest Pet Shop. Lucky Pet. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, guys, so inside the package, oh, if we can get it out, there is, oh, don't even know what material this is made of, but probably, I don't even know. But there's nothing else inside, and we have 2 little parcels. One is our Littlest Pet Shop. Our little pet is not very small. It's actually quite big. And then I think, oh, we have an adorable little charm. Our charm is this one. Look how cute you are. It's got a little S hook. And then we have a pretty weedy Littlest Pet inside here. Let's see if we can get into it and see who we got. Oh, oh, guys, this is a bobblehead. Look, this little head moves. Who did we get? Oh, we got Medallion. That is so stinking cute. And its little head moves. Oh, guys, for £1.50, I think that is so stinking cute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this inside with our little dress as an additional little surprise for whoever gets this little dress-up outfit. We'll just pop it in there. And that will be such a cute little surprise. Nice. But guys, this is everyone that you can get in the collection. I think we just got a lucky. You've got lucky, super lucky, and ultra lucky. We didn't get any ultra lucky, but I'm still feel lucky that I got those. And then you've got your different charms. I think Ours was You'll Enjoy. But anyway, guys, so that is this Poundland haul. I hope you guys really had a lot of fun. I had a blast showing you guys everything that I bought. I had so much fun with this little thing. This is so much fun. Even breaking this is fun. Anyway, I hope you guys had a blast. I had a blast. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And guys, if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, just hit that notification bell. In the interim, I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please, please stay safe. Please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.